Hi everyone, it's Sheila. Welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my Mint Mongoose for the month of January, and I'm going to open it, tell you all about it, and show you what I got. But I have an idea that I thought to have some more fun with these videos besides just opening it and showing you guys what I got. I thought it might be fun to incorporate some kind of trivia depending on what bag or box I'm opening. For example, today I'm opening a jewelry bag, so I thought I'd give you a little bit of trivia questions. And at the end of the video, I will give you the answer to the trivia question. So what I plan on doing is I'm going to go ahead, I already found a trivia question related to jewelry. I'm going to ask, and I would like to know in the comment section how many of you guys really knew the answer before I gave it. Just let me know in the comment section. Okay, here is the trivia question. The Tavernier Blue is a gemstone known by which modern name? Now stay tuned to the end of the video and I will give you all the details. And let me know in the comment section how many of you guys really know the answer, because I did not know the answer. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this. But this is the way it comes. She always gives you a little postcard. She tells you her inspiration for the piece this month. And she always gives you a piece of Werther's candy. And this is something extra. I don't know what this is. I will tell you about that in a minute. Okay, but at $16.99 a month, you can cancel it anytime you want. You can get silver, rose gold, or they have a category where you can say surprise me. Now, I've always got rose gold, but recently I just switched over to silver because I've been getting so much rose gold. And on her website lately, she's updated her website. You can now, for I forget exact price, but you can also add a ring onto your subscription if you want, or you can add a t-shirt. A t-shirt that is absolutely brand new, and it's only $11.99. So I'm going to do that probably within the next month or two. I'm definitely going to check into that. I haven't seen anybody else get a t-shirt, so somebody's got to be the first to do it, so it might as well be me. So I think I'm going to go ahead and sign up for that and see how that works out. Okay, so here's the postcard she included. Here's all the pieces that are in here, and she always writes a little where she gets her inspiration for this month's piece. And she says, "Hi there. This month's set is inspired by 3 people very special to me: my grandma, grandpa, and sister." Okay, so let's go ahead. I don't know if that's actually her grandma, but if it is, hi grandma. Gotta love grandmas because I'm gonna be a grandma for the first time very, very soon. And I can't wait, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the pieces and share them with you. You know what I bet this is? I bet this is the free item. Every 3 months, she sends you a free item. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this first and see what I got. It's definitely a piece of jewelry. Oh, this is so beautiful. I will go ahead and put this on. Yay, I'm glad to get a free piece of jewelry. Last time it was just a hair barrette. I appreciate jewelry more. Look at that, it looks like marble. I'll go ahead and put that on. Well, thank you. I'm glad to get a free piece of jewelry. Okay, so let's get down into what we received this month. Now here is the other piece of jewelry, and as you can see, I did change over to silver. So this looks like it has a daisy on there. And I think in the note she said something about her sister liked daisies. So I'm assuming this is based on her sister. I think she said her sister is a caretaker for her grandparents. So this is a way to show her sister some love, if I read that correctly. I hope that's picking up. Can you guys see that? Okay, and then we're going on to the next piece. And just a little teaser to this month's trivia question. This might be a little clue for the answer, guys. Not exactly the same thing, but definitely a clue. That's all I'm gonna say. And I love this piece of jewelry. And my cat is sitting here staring at me. So now I got 3 pieces of jewelry on it. Okay, so I think that is it. Do I have one more piece? Oh, I do have one more piece of jewelry. Oh yeah, the earrings. I totally forgot the earrings. All right. And they are very small this month, which I know Life with Lois is not gonna like because she does not like these small little earrings. So I know you're not happy, Lois, but they're very lightweight. That's a good thing. And they're very neutral, so I could wear them with many things. But this is the way they look. It looks more like to go with this necklace. So anyway, that is all the jewelry pieces for this month. Now, are you ready for the answer to the trivia question? And the trivia question once again was, the Tavernier Blue is a gemstone known by what modern name? Hey, my cats are fighting. More drama. The answer is the Hope Diamond. The Hope Diamond is a world famous blue diamond. It is a diamond necklace kept at the Smithsonian Museum. It is thought to be bad luck gemstone, bringing its owners detrimental occurrences while they owned it. It has given many different names since it was cut. Now, I looked on YouTube, and the Smithsonian Museum has a 1-minute trivia facts about the whole history of the Hope Diamond. And it's only a minute long, so you might find it interesting. I will leave a link right up here so you guys could go watch it. But there's also like hour-long documentaries out there about the Hope Diamond. So I think I'm going to watch it and learn a little bit about the Hope Diamond. And I hope you guys do too. So that's the answer to the trivia question. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a good week. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.